kidding. That actually was not me who was snowboarding. That was my husband. We went on a weekend trip up to the mountains for my husband to go snowboarding, and I had a great time just sitting in the cabin reading my books. I do know how to ski, but I chose to not go up to the mountain this time. Well, I mean, to not actually go skiing this time. I spent my entire time relaxing and doing this. I just sat in the hot tub and it was fantastic. But stay tuned. I will have stuff that is fitness related. I just wanted to show you. Okay, you guys, here is another grocery vlog. So I'm just going to take you through what I buy at the grocery store. I bought a single apple because I'm going to make a Waldorf salad. A yellow onion. Here's some trail mix, walnuts, raw cashews. I have Italian style cheese blend, Parmesan cheese, yams, panko breadcrumbs, whole wheat, penne pasta, green grapes, 2 heads of broccoli, green onion, celery, 1 lemon, some minced garlic, low carb flour tortillas. I have a spaghetti squash, some shredded carrots, corn, chives, thyme. Here is some coffee, chocolate, almond, Noosa. This is my favorite kind of yogurt, but I've never tried this before. And I'm really excited about this. I really hope it's good. Snickerdoodle hummus. I've never had it before. And for kaki, this is used primarily on Asian dishes. A whole fat coconut milk. I have some riced cauliflower, some whipped cream. This is for my dog. Olive oil, some half and half. This is for a recipe. More yogurt. This is lemon and honey. And I have some turkey bacon, cilantro, kale, romaine lettuce, parsley, a lime, and some spinach and olive oil. And that is my whole grocery haul. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I make my kale and walnut pesto. It is dairy-free, and I absolutely love it. I actually eat it, like, I try and make it several times a year. I almost prefer it better to regular pesto. So I cut up basically an entire head of kale, and now I'm using olive oil. This recipe does call for quite a lot of olive oil. You need it to get the right texture. And I am using a Vitamix blender. You really need a strong blender because the kale is not easy to get really small. It's quite a dense vegetable, or yeah. And I'm just adding walnuts. I don't really measure out exactly how much I need. At this point, I just go based on taste. So I have walnuts there, more olive oil, and garlic. And I'm blending that all together. Oh, and I think I added more kale because you can only do like half the head at each time because it's so like voluminous. And now I'm just blending it down till I get like a texture. I don't want it to be too finely pureed, but I don't want it to be too chunky. So now I have this out. It is a beautiful green color. Like, I'm obsessed with this color. I love it. And now I'm just adding some lemon. You pretty much want to add the whole lemon. That lemon just wasn't very like juicy. And I'm adding salt. I'm being very careful with the salt because my husband does not like things to be salty. So here it is, pretty much done. I love this stuff. I put it on chicken, pasta, like whole wheat pasta, and salads, and it is really, really, really delicious. You can not even tell that it is kale. It's that good.